Today we will make a Google Map email extractor. From Google Map you will extract lot of emails to send later emails to the to increase the lead. Here, first of all, you have to make Apify account. Then you will come here, Google Map email extractor. This one, first one. Okay, you do not have to change anything. You may increase here the number of searches per run. Do not have to change anything here. Just save here. After that you have to come over setting API integrations. Now copy API from here. Now come here to make.com, make account from the link in the description, and import the blueprint provided. Import like this, import blueprint from provided. This will appear. Now we have to integrate this one, Google Sheets. Google Sheet is here. This is also provided, link provided. You may copy in your Google Drive. Link from here. You do not have to change anything. Just make connections like this one. LinkedIn, email scraper, maps, Google Maps scraper. Do not change anything. You may put limit here 1. This one. Save. After that, come here this one and add this one. Here is you can Apify and then put the API we have copy from here. Copy API and put over here like this. Press save. Then this will come. Do not have to change anything. Just you may increase the number of emails you want to search per keyword or per run. After that, you may increase the time of search scraping for one. Press save. After that, do not have to change anything here. You may increase the limit here. Over here, you may just select this one. Do not change anything. Do not change anything. Press this also the same. You have to select like this one. Then you have to press save. If you save everything, then it means you have set everything fine. Then run like this and you will get the emails from the Google Map businesses. Later we will send emails there. Keep in mind, do not share any API keys to anyone.